We've been reading
Mr. Bunny's Chocolate Factory. We like that you've given like a lot of thought about the book and you've made it really funny and you made it like fun. At the first part, it was like kind of sad for the chickens because they had to lay eggs all the time.
And he didn't care about holidays, he wouldn't listen to them, he would ignore them. But then at the end, the chickens and the unicorn teached him a lesson to never do this to anyone. So then at the end, he listened to what they wanted. He gave them holidays, salad.
And then the chickens were wearing clothes. Surprising.
Yeah.
Chickens hardly wear clothes. And over here, a chicken is in a bikini. You read books and books like just lighten up your day because you see like the funny words they've written or like they tell you to be grateful and care.
My advice to anyone watching this, if you are like Mr. Bunny in the beginning part, read this book and then Mr. Bunny will teach you something.